school year is up and running, and with the beginning of the new school year, once again, homecoming is on its way. Here are some important dates, times, and information for Marysville High School's 2022 homecoming. Dance tickets will be on sale for $10 a person starting September 29th, and the last day to buy them are on Wednesday, October 5th by 3 p.m. Tickets will not be sold at the door of the dance. If you plan on bringing a guest who does not attend Marysville High School, please see the high school office to fill out a guest pass form. All guest passes are due at 1 p.m. on Monday, October 3rd. Float building for freshmen, sophomore, juniors, and seniors will take place at designated places and times on Saturday, October 1st. On Friday, October 7th, the Pep Assembly will take place during FIT, and the parade will begin at 1:30 p.m. The doors will open at 6:45 p.m. for the semi-formal dance at Marysville High School and will close at 7:15. The dance will take place from 7 to 10 p.m.